Have you ever worked for hours in Excel and suddenly your system crashes? One power cut, one mistake, and everything is gone. In the next 30 seconds, I will show you a hidden Excel setting that automatically creates a backup of your file. Hi everyone, I am Vijay Kumar. Welcome back to VSDL Excel Pro. I share smart and practical Microsoft Excel tricks that make your work faster, safer, and more professional. Today, we are enabling a powerful feature called Always Create Backup in Microsoft Excel so you never lose your important files. Let's do it step by step. Open our Excel file, click File, click Save As, select Browse for file location. In the Save As window, look at the bottom right, click Tools, choose General Options, click Always Create Backup. OK, you save. Now it will ask you want to replace it. Give yes. Now we'll go to the file location. Here now backup is ready. You open the file. Now it will shows that the file has XLX format. That meant it is not in as a regular Excel format. So if you want to open it, you have to give yes. Then you have to open. Now just I give no because the format is stored as XLX format. The Excel is stored in Excel XX format. That is a regular one. Do some changes in the sales report, whether the changes is happening in backup or not. You can see that timing also. It will be automatically updating in the backup file. Backup file and sales report file almost same. So when you do the changes in the sales report, backup of the file also will update automatically. So that is indicating by the timing. Just I'll open in the backup file, giving yes, even though it is XLX file, the sales report heading and changing to blue color as a different from the main sales report. So let's see the verifications. So what are the changes we've done in the sales report? The main sales report, it all automatically stored in backup as same sales report. To recover the backup file, we have to change the XLX file to Excel SX file as a regular Excel. The backup file we have to open. Then we have to save as the file as regular Excel file. Then that Excel sheet become normal one. Now you can see I given the file name as sales report 1. That report I generated from the backup file as a recovered one. You can see that backup as XLX, the sales report, Excel SX, and that file recovered from backup. That also Excel SX. For extra protection, you can go to File, Option, in that Save. Make sure the auto recover information every 10 minutes to 5 minutes or 5 minutes to 2 minutes as per your frequency of the file saving requirements. Even you can change it to 5 minutes or 2 minutes. This is additional protection. For main sheet, if you forget to save also, the file will save automatically. So the backup also will update automatically. When you're working in the busy schedule, if you forget to save also, that 5 minutes, 2 minutes time settings will save your file automatically. If this tip saved you from losing your Excel work, hit like and subscribe for more smart Excel tricks. See you in the next one.